Hey guys, welcome to another Quickstart tutorial of the FrenschPress device. In this video we're gonna have a look at RTP, Apple Midi network functionality. So if you want to send Midi commands over a network connection, you can do this using the protocol Apple invented here. So for macOS it's implemented. For Windows you need the RTP Midi app, which works reliable since years. So all you have to do on the FrenschPress side is you go to settings, and in the settings tab you enable RTP Midi down here. Hit save and you're ready to go. On the macOS side you open the Midi Studio, you open the Midi network settings, and as you can see the device appears here in the devices list. You click on it, hit connect, and it will be part of your network session here. And as you can see, my Midi monitor over here is listening to the network session commands, and as I turn and play on the FrenschPress buttons, you see the input is coming from network. So this is the way to set it up. It's pretty easy, and yeah, and sometimes it's handy to have Midi over network, and I hope you have fun with it. Have a nice one. We see us in the next.